Welcome to Speak English with John. In this lesson, we will talk about two conjunctions which are often confused, so and because. So is used to show result of an action, while because is used to show the reason of an action. And in general, we can combine two clauses using so and because. Let's consider the example below. I needed eggs. I went to the store. Here we can see two clauses. First, I needed eggs. Then, I went to the store. We can combine these two clauses in two different ways using so and because. I went to the store because I needed eggs. And I needed eggs, so I went to the store. And here is a structure. Let's take so. Reason. So. Result or action. I was tired, so I went to bed. I was tired happened first. It is the reason for going to bed. It was raining, so I took a taxi. It was raining happened first. It is the reason for taking a taxi. You will notice that when we use so, reasons come before so. And please note that we write a comma in front of so. Now let's take because. Result or action. Because. Reasons. I went to bed because I was tired. I went to bed happened after feeling tired. It is the result for feeling tired. I didn't go to class because I was sick. I didn't go to class happened after feeling sick. It is the result for feeling sick. You will notice that when we use because, reasons come after because. And please note, we don't write a comma in front of because. And now let's see a combination of two clauses and then decide when and where to use so or because. Linda didn't attend the party. She was not invited. Number one. So what would you use, so or because? Linda didn't attend the party because she was not invited. And our answer is because. Here we see the reason coming after because. And also the fact that we don't write a comma in front of because. And please decide for number two, so or because. And for number two, the answer is so. Linda was not invited, so she did not attend the party. Here we notice the reason came before so. And like we said, we write a comma in front of so. If you got these two correctly, congratulations! If you failed any of these questions, I advise you to watch the video again and retake the quiz. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.